Yo, what up, family? It's your boy, man, CHARTPLUGFX, man. I'm about to do what I always do each and every week, man, just to show y'all that I actually love you guys. And today's video, I'm actually doing it underneath my blankets due to the fact that there are a lot of people around the house, so I can't really get them to keep quiet. So the only thing, maybe, or should I say, the only solution was for me to actually do everything underneath my blanket. So yeah, let's get to it. Well, XAU USD, which is gold, for last week, I had indicated that it was gonna retrace and go up, and it just did, but it retraced more than what I expected. But it retraced to this support, then bounced back up. But I'm gonna show you guys something that I've noticed about gold. But yeah, anyway, my analysis is still long, unless I get signs of shorts, or should I say like a trend reversal. But right now, all I'm saying is longs. But yeah, let me show you something about gold. There was, okay, like starting go from the beginning, right, to the from the bottom here. It formed like a head and shoulder. There's the left, there's the right shoulder, because this is an inverse. So right shoulder, there's the head, there's the left shoulder. Broke through the neckline, then it retested with this bearish candle here. Then it went up, right? So as gold goes up, it breaks through resistance, and the resistance becomes support, right? So let me show you something. Okay, so we have which resistance after it breaks here, we have let me see. Okay, breaks up, going down, okay, keeps on going up, then which means now our resistance is here. Okay, previous resistance, basically this became the reason, this became resistance due to the fact that of it bounced off here, and then it bounced off there. Basically, you see, it bounced off there, came down, bounced, and came down, then broke through, then retested the resistance, then went up, right? You see, it then went up, then came back down and retested the same resistance, then went up. I'm gonna show you guys another thing I noticed about gold. If you look at this, or should I say the turning point, or the mini resistance, let me show you. You see this resistance here, or previous resistance, which is now support here. See, price turned down, came back and bounced off the previous resistance, went up, broke through, came and retested that resistance, which is now support, and went up. So gold, what it does is lets you go up, retest resistance, go up, retest resistance, go up, retest resistance, which is now support. So I think maybe it'll keep on doing for the next coming weeks, or a week or two. I'm not sure. So you better be alert of that. Also, I've been getting a lot of messages like, yo man, like your charts rarely have support and resistance. It's because I've actually developed a new way, which is now the Fibonacci way, because I found out that it's actually much more successful, or should I say, like, it's much more reliable as to support and resistance. But I'm not saying you can use them both. You can use them both. So now what I expect for gold is, now let's get to right now. What's still bullish, right? We're still bullish. Let me just load up the chopper. Okay, yeah, we're still bullish. Daily we're bullish. The monthly was still bullish. Remember from last week's video. Let me see. Yeah, nah, we good. We're still bullish. We're still bullish. Okay. Well, let me get to right now. Monthly bullish, weekly bullish, daily bullish. Now 4 hour. So now as you get to 4 hour, what I can say is, or what I can see happening is, okay, I believe, let me draw this mini resistance here. I believe gold may come down to this previous resistance, then continue going up, right? But the thing is, it's either this resistance or this resistance here, and then I'm gonna show you guys some. Okay, then I'm gonna get my Fibonacci. This is basically the way I analyze, guys. If y'all are still not taking notes, then I don't know, because I analyzed this the other day. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday. Alone though. I'm trying to zoom in. Okay, so you see what happened. When it was, you see, I was wondering where gold will retrace to, so I decided to put this mini support here around here, right? So then I realized that on Friday morning, price couldn't break this mini support here. What it did with the wick, but you see, wicks don't mean anything. So it tried to break with a wick here. I mean, with a wick, but it couldn't. You see, it then tried breaking again, but it couldn't, and then started becoming bullish, because that was the previous resistance, which is now support. So now and then my extended target was for it to hit the fib D1 extension level, which is the negative 0.27 level. And it did, right? And it did to the T. If you can just zoom in, negative 0.27 level, and it did to the T, just right here. So now what I can expect price to do is price needs to come in price needs to come in retest this support right here. Then I can look for longs. But if it continues going up, then let it be. You catch it on retracements, right? But I believe that this price will come down here and continue going up. You know what I mean? Because I still see bulls in gold, right? So it may come down to this level here, and then it continue going up. The reason why I didn't draw a fib on this on this new highs, because I'm not sure whether it's a high or the trend is still going to continue. But if it does continue, then I can expect the price to come around the 0.382 line or the blue support here and continue going up, right? Because it's been doing that. Breaks resistance, which is not support, comes back to that support, or basically retesting, breaks, retest, goes up, retest, goes up, retest. Every time it keeps on retesting. So I think maybe it'll retest this level before going up. So yeah, I still see gold longs, to be honest with you. So we get to Euro USD. Euro USD. Oh, by the way, in the meantime, let me just load up for Forex Factory. Yeah, alright, sweet. Oh my god. Alright, for sure, let's go. Okay, Euro USD played out to the T, as you can see there. So I'm gonna remove these arrows because they are useless now. Okay, let me just remove those. Alright, yeah. So now what's gonna happen? Okay, fine. Let's get to the weekly. I want to see how the weekly closed. Okay. Okay. The weekly closed quite bullish. Okay, that's good. This indicating that was still bullish. That's awesome. Okay. Monthly was still bullish. Weekly still bullish. Daily, we look like we are bullish. Yeah, I think daily we are bullish. Okay. Or should I say we're in a bullish trend, right? So now 4 hour. Let's see. Slow internet. All right, let go. Okay. As for Euro USD too, like I've been drawing these support and resistances myself. Like for example, from let me say from the beginning here, it went up. You see, it basically broke out, came back down, continued. The thing is, one thing I noticed that Euro USD works with gold also. I mean, I've noticed that for a long time, but it also reacts very similarly. What I basically mean is, it likes to always make retests. You know what I mean? So always keep that in mind, that as long as you have a bullish or bearish trend, always look to buy a price or sell price on the retracements, right? So for example, if I want an uptrend, always look to buy on retracements up. Like you don't buy, like you or should I say, like you basically say a trend has changed. If you see if let me say you plot your Fibonacci from 0 to 100 or new low to new high, and you see that the trend has now passed the 0.786 line, then you know that maybe the trend has changed. Now we're going down. So yes, yeah, let go. Okay, so now looks like yeah, Euro USD has made a young resistance on top there, right? Okay, resistance on top there, and I think maybe, yeah, okay, now I'm gonna look at pure price action. I'm not even gonna do anything that's complicated. Trend lines, I don't need them right now. So yeah, alright, okay, let go. So like I see this I'm just trying to observe what I think can go. I'm just trying to see what's going on here. Okay. Alright, sweet. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, I still maintain my upward movement, but I just want to see something using fibs. And just lock the scale. Okay. All right. Well, I'm long, or should I say, like I still see USD being long up until I get a weekly, up until I get like a weekly close candle that shows me a bearish sign. But if I don't, then I'ma say we long, right? So now it looks like it has formed a double top, right? A double top right here. But I'll say it's a double top once we get 2 red candles from 4 hours, or should I say like from this time frame. So what I can say right now is price may come, or should I say may go as low as the 0.786 line, or even lower to here, before continuing the upward trend to there. That's what I think will happen this week. Why I'm saying this is because it has formed like a double top, but my analysis will only hold if at all we get like a retracement, or should I say if we get 2 bearish candlesticks of 4 hour, basically, which means after 8 hours from the market opening, if those 2 candles are bearish for the 4 hour time frame, then we can expect price to come as low as here, because it looks like it needs to complete the M, because I see like a up, yeah, then the M needs to be completed. Maybe it may be completed here or here, but my overall bias is still a buy, right? So even if Monday opens and then price automatically shoots up, I'll just basically wait for the retracement coming to retest this support. This resistance, which then will be support. If it comes to retest it, then I'm a buy and continue going up. But from what I see, I think maybe it may come down here, continue up, may come down here, continue up. But all we do is wait for retracements and buy. You don't just enter a trade in the middle because you don't know where it will turn, but rather enter it on retracement. So yeah, I think that's my Euro USD analysis. I'm gonna get to USD JPY. Yeah, this is one of the longest videos, but yeah, I felt like I should actually go in depth a bit, you know what I mean? Because I love you guys, man. I just felt like maybe I should just go in depth a bit, because it's forex, man. We all gotta eat. You don't need to be me to eat alone or someone else, but yeah, let go. Okay, now let me show you guys something. Well, fine, let's start from the weekly. Okay, 1 week, weekly charts. Alright, so weekly we see like a young downtrend, for sure, yeah. Alright, daily, still waiting on the daily. We still see like a downtrend, but you see it was okay. This will be much more visible on the 4 hour. Let me go to the 4 hour. Alright, so now we get to the 4 hour, right? I want to show you guys something. So like every time price is between this area here, let me just highlight it for you a bit. You see, every time price is within this blue area. Let me not make it blue, man. Yeah, every time price is within this, I don't know if this is light green, whatever, or should I say algae green, whatever it is. But yeah, as long as price is between here, it will always consolidate before actually going in the continued trend way, right? So now, as you can see, from here we fell, we played around here, then continue falling down, right? It's also here, we're falling, we fell here, it's playing around here, then continue falling, right? So now what I think will happen is if we can get like a breakthrough, so I say we like immediate like red candles, then we can continue going up going down to this trend line, this red trend line, which is around the 109.5 region. But right now I'm not really quite sure what will happen here, but to trade this, it's best you wait for the breakout to the downside, right? Because the upside could just be another correction, you know what I mean? So basically what I mean is let's get to it. Okay, yeah, you see, our downside has been fulfilled already, so we go with the downside, right? So yeah, to be honest with you, like I think we're still gonna come down to this trend line this coming week or two. Also this week is like NFP week and everything, so maybe price may be consolidating up until NFP day, and then maybe it's late. So yeah, also what I can say is, let me see, don't sell yet, right? Sell after it breaks this blue support, because if you look closely, it's been making wicks. It made a wick here, made a wick here. So what can happen is also price may not just fall down immediately, but it may come up to around the previous resistance, then continue coming down, That's what I think. So yeah, so if it goes down, just sell the breakout of here, okay, and then if it goes up, wait for the retracement and go down with it. Let me see that if it retraces, then I may think it'll, let me see. Okay, so yeah, starting to see. Yeah, if it retraces, then maybe it may come around the 0.618 region, or 0.5 and 0.618 region. Then maybe we can continue our sales going down to the 109.5 region or 0.6 region. So yeah, that's what I think for my trades this coming week. As you saw, all of them played out perfectly, but except for gold, because gold, what it did, it retraced more than what I expected. So yeah, but at the end of the day, it's still looking like it's going to towards my target. So yeah, So guys, yeah, that's it for the chart. So now let's get it to the fundamentals, like what you should look out for. Monday we ain't got any red flag news. Tuesday we have the RBA rate statement for the Aussie dollar. Then we have GVP manufacturing. Then we have USD ISM manufacturing PMI. Okay, that's not bad. Then Tuesday we have, Wednesday we have employment change and unemployment rate for New Zealand dollar. Then we have GVP construction PMI. Then we have the USD crude oil inventories and the ADP non-farm employment change. Thursday looks like we have a Australian dollar news. Then we have GBP news almost the whole day, because inflation report, official bank rate, monetary policy, official bank rate, Kanye speaks. Oh my god! And then and then later on we have the USD ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Okay. And on Friday, I think that's the NFP. Yeah. Then we have, so basically on Friday we also have AUD. Hey, it looks like Australian dollar is like news every day from like Tuesday or Wednesday. But yeah, watch out for the Australian dollar. Then the Canadian dollar, we also have employment change, trade balance, unemployment rate. So yeah, and the USD we have non-farm employment change and the unemployment rate, which is the NFP. So the NFP, the non-farm employment change. So yeah, guys, trade safe, watch out, always have the news by your side, but also again trust the analysis and always use the right risk management. I've learned that the hard way. So yeah, guys, thank you, have a peaceful week, and I hope you guys enjoy my content. I love you guys.